and to witness another milestone of our kaunos who are suffering and manifested their hard work and perseverance for the past months. Our hearts filled with joy seeing you home to celebrate and another success of our company.
Or a month before, buksan yung Amerika, yung Nigeria. 2 key cities in Nigeria, we have branches in Lagos and in Abuja. At para makita nyo na yung uno hindi lang para sa mga Pilipino, ang uno para sa lahat.
Uno Premiers are our most valuable asset, and that is only through our commitment that the company can achieve its business objectives and become world-class and #1 anywhere in the world.
Tayo nagtutulungan dahil mahina tayo, kundi nagtutulungan tayo para manatili tayo malakas.
Because of you, one day families will have a better future. Because of you, your top leaders will one day tell their children how amazing a person you are. Because of you, you can change the world, obtain freedom, and make a difference. It all starts with you.
Sobrang dami, hindi lang sa Pilipinas. Pag umiikot kami, talagang papasalamat sila sa atin, di ba? Sobrang yun ang hindi talaga mababayaran, di ba? Ang mahalaga dyan, talagang ma-prove natin yung products talaga natin, napakaganda at mapagmamalaki natin.
Guys, ito yung opportunity na pwede natin gawin. Wala kang gagawin, ihataw lang. Ihataw mo lang. Mapagod ka, okay lang. Kasi bakit? Alam mo naman may kalalagyan ka eh, pag ginawa mo to eh.
Pero kung malaki ang pangarap natin, gusto mong yumaman, gusto mo magkaroon ng time freedom, financial freedom, gusto mo ba kauwi sa Pilipinas, trabahoin niyo po sa mga. Kayo mangkin, maitim, basta may pangarap ka at willing mo trabahuin para sa iyo ang Uno Premier.